This is Deepa Sharma once again in front of you all, and thank you so much for appreciating my last video. And कई लोगों ने मुझसे कहा कि जो हमारे इंडियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं वो हिंदी में भी हमारी स्टोरी सुनना पसंद करते हैं, तो इस बार मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश और हिंदी का कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ बात करूंगी। और मुझे हिंदी में बात करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। और अगर मैं बात करूं एविएशन इंडस्ट्री की, तो आपकी लैंग्वेज में कमांड होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। जितनी अच्छी आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं उतनी अच्छी आपकी हिंदी और कोई और रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस भी अगर आपके साथ हैं तो इससे बेहतरीन और कुछ नहीं हो सकता। और अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो मला मराठी माहिती, कुछ तेलुगु हिंदी और थोड़ी बहुत पंजाबी भी असी गल्ला कर लेते हैं। और अगर बात करूँ हिंदी की, तो हिंदी भी मुझे अच्छी खासी बोलनी आती है। और इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इंग्लिश, आई थिंक सो आई हैव अ कमांड ऑन दैट ऑल्सो। सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी गो विद द एविएशन, एंड वी मेक अ वेरी गुड कनेक्टिविटी विद द पैसेंजर्स ऑल्सो, राइट, कस्टमर्स, because they don't come from one region or you can say one religion, right? So if you talk about India, we are having so many languages within India, right? So if we know a little bit of some languages, it's easy to communicate and get in touch with them, right? Okay, in last video, as I was discussing about my past journey, so I stopped I was at the ticketing counter. Mr. Parvez from Sahara was inside, and he was asking or resolving our queries. Okay, so while resolving our queries, we just asked him that, sir, can we get a 2 piece of plain A4 sheet? He said, why not? He gave us. Okay, you know what we did? We started writing something. He just asked, he was watching us very keenly. Okay, he just asked, what you girls are doing? Are you writing application or something? I said, no sir, we are making our resume. But handwritten? I said, yes sir, we don't want to miss the opportunity. And if you talk about this opportunity, it is a golden time for us, because we came from Jet, then Indian Airline, Air India, and then we have come to you, and we came to know that yes, there is a vacancy line. So how can we miss that? I said, it's not a problem. We are open till 7 o'clock in the evening. You girls go, make your beautiful and a smart resume which is running in present scenario, make that format, and I'll place it here. I said, sir, you know what? It will go to Cyber Cafe, and it will take some time to make our resume. And the most important thing is we are not carrying a document, so half of the things we might miss or might be wrong. So as we put up at Memora, and it is 35 kilometers far from airport, so it's very difficult for us to make it today, so it will take tomorrow. Okay, so in tomorrow also we have to come from Memora by early morning bus, then we have to wait till 10:30 when all the cyber cafe or shops get open. Then we'll get an opportunity to get our resume done. It will take at least it will take like 12 o'clock might be get ready, right? So at that time might be certain more resume will be placed here, so we will be somewhere in 60, 56, 57, 58, 60. We don't want more competition with us. We don't want to miss this golden opportunity, sir. So that's the reason we are so keen to do it fast. We'll place it here, and tomorrow we'll come with a beautiful and a nice format, and we'll replace this. He started laughing on us. He actually started laughing on us. I said, I appreciate your curiosity and your passion towards joining aviation, but girls, this is not the right way. At least handwritten will not look good. So I don't know how I can help you out. I said, sir, I got an idea. I said, what? So do you have a flight right now? He said, no. Are you busy right now? I said, no, I'm not busy, but yes, if I'll get any booking, I have to go for that. I said, sir, do you have a system as well as the printer is lying in front of you? Can you just make a resume for us? He again took a pause and said, okay, I'll try to help you out. And he actually gone through that procedure. It took half an hour to complete our both resume. And we placed it, and we thanked him like anything. We went home, And then next day we were so curious to come back to the same place with a beautiful, nice format of resume. For that we worked hard. We took that printout, we replaced the previous one. We again thanked him that thank you so much, sir, for your such a beautiful support. Just because of you, if you will be here, you will be the main reason behind it. I said, no, you're always welcome, girls. Your passion is showing something. That is the reason I'm molded like this. Okay, I hardly get time to get in this, sit in the system and do some work for, not for the passenger, but visitors, right? We were visitor at that time. Okay, so this happened. We went home, and after 4-5 days, you know what happened? We got a call. There was Mr. I will not name him. I got a call from senior management that our interview is scheduled after 5 days at Sahara Tower. We have to go there and give our interview. And we were so curious and excited, but nervous too. You know why? Never ever taken training for interviews, never ever met anybody apart from Rashi, any aviation staff who can guide us. We even don't know anybody. So we thought, I don't know how we'll crack this interview. We are getting chance, but we can miss it. So we cooled our mind. We struggled hard. Whatever we did in the past, like studies, NCC, whatever. And moreover, we just gone through the study of aviation also little bit. Okay, little bit like, because that time the internet was not so handy. So we just gone through. I asked my dad also, I asked my brother also about it, and we searched a little bit of it, and we prepared hard, right? We went for the interview, and interview was awesome. I have done very well in that, and I got a call after 15 days that my joining is from so and so date. I can't express how happy, how nervous, and how much excited I was to join aviation. There are many more things I would like to tell you further. The only thing I have left here is whatever duties I have performed during my career in Sahara as a ground hostess. I'll tell you even each and everything. Today we have so many technologies are going on, and there I worked manually so many things, multitasking job. And there was not a single position where I have not worked. As in, if you talk about VIP handling, if you talk about check-in, if you talk about even sometime at the ticket counter, sometimes security, sometime at the next to the airplane, ramp duties, many things we did it, right? So it's an exciting journey. So stay tuned and wait for my next video. I'll be telling each and everything what I did in when I worked with Sahara for 4 years. Amazing experience. I would love to share with you. Thank you so much once again for appreciating my video. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.